Now you can use it externally. I'm going to show you how you can use it externally, and I'm going to show you how you can use it for poor circulation in the feet, cold feet.
Do you often struggle with cold feet no matter how many socks you wear? It's not just about chilly weather. Poor circulation, stress, or even lifestyle choices could be the hidden cause. But don't worry. Today, we're sharing a simple, natural remedy from the well-known health expert Barbara O'Neill. Stay tuned, because this quick and easy solution might be exactly what you need to keep your feet warm and your body happy.
I find people that allow their feet to be cold, eventually their feet are numb. And eventually, the next step after numb feet is gangrene of the toes. You see, the blood's the life of the flesh, and any part of the body that's cold, blood's not going in there. So blood's not feeding the area, it's not feeding the herbs, the nerves. You cannot put cold feet into hot water or you'll damage the tissues. So what can you do? You can make a cayenne compress to put on the bottom of the feet. So to make a cayenne pepper compress, you get some paper towel and you cut it to the size of the foot, which would be, let's just guess, it'll be about this. I guess I'm guessing my size foot. And you put it on. I've doubled over a couple of layers of cling wrap there. And then you put a little olive oil on there. Not a lot, because you don't want to soil your sheets. So I'm going to put it in this plate to show you how you can put it on lightly. So I'm just going to dab it on. The reason why I'm putting olive oil there is in a minute I'm going to sprinkle the cayenne on it, and this causes the cayenne to stick to it. So it's really just there for the cayenne pepper to stick to it. Now that's about the right amount. As I said, any more and it will leak, because this compress is worn overnight. So you can see I've just got a light sprinkling of oil there. And now I'm going to put the cayenne pepper on that. So you put about half a teaspoon for each foot. So that's about half a teaspoon. So you can see the way I'm holding it up, the cayenne pepper is now sticking to the paper, and the foot goes straight onto that. And then you put a sock on and leave it on all night.
Why cayenne pepper? It's a powerful natural remedy for cold feet because it stimulates circulation and increases warmth. The secret lies in capsaicin, the active compound that gives cayenne its heat. Capsaicin works by activating sensory receptors in the skin, which send signals to the brain, triggering vasodilation, widening of blood vessels. This allows more blood to flow to the extremities, effectively warming up cold feet. Poor circulation is a common cause of cold feet, often linked to conditions like Raynaud's disease, diabetes, or even prolonged inactivity. When blood flow is restricted, the feet don't receive enough oxygen and nutrients, leading to numbness and a constant chilly sensation. Cayenne pepper counteracts this by naturally increasing circulation and improving oxygen delivery to the tissues. In addition to promoting blood flow, cayenne has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It helps relax blood vessels and reduce discomfort caused by nerve sensitivity or inflammation. Some people sprinkle a small amount of cayenne inside their socks, while others use creams or balms infused with capsaicin. However, it's important to use it with caution, as direct contact with the skin may cause irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin.
Peripheral neuropathy, that's a side effect of chemotherapy, where people lose that feeling in their feet. They can bring their feet alive again with the cayenne pepper compresses. So you could even make a few and fold them over like that.
So what are the signs that your feet are improving, and how long should you use this method?
If I put that on my foot, by 4 in the morning, I'm waking up wanting to rip it off because my feet are so hot. But if someone has no feeling in their feet, or if someone regularly has cold feet, often by morning they're feeling a little tingle. So you would probably wear it every second night until your feet get hot.
If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more natural remedies. Stay warm and take care.